Alright, so this will be day 2. I was not expecting this this package to come in, so I already opened it. I had no clue what it was, but now I do. So these are lights for in here and there, I believe. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. It's really like stupid simple how easy it is. But first thing we have is the tool, so you can get this in here and pop it out, or you just take your hand and just pull on it. It's really simple. I think this is it. Yep. So then you have a couple lights. That's pretty much it. Alright, I'm just going to show you now since it's really simple. I'm just going to put my phone down and point it up if it will let me. Here, this. Hopefully you can see that. That's all you have to do. And then, as you can see here, I would not recommend hanging it on here. So I'll remove that real quick, and show you. Alright, you don't have to do that. I just did it to make it easier for me to show you. But you take these are your lights. You just twist them and they pop out. And then you take the light out of the black piece, and then put the new ones in. See, do you see that? Just a little twist, and out it goes. So I'll sit down, show you how to put these in. That's it. I'll do that with the next one. There you go. 2 down. No, I'm not going to touch the LED part if I can. It doesn't look like I cannot because I touch everything with my hands. And then popped right in. I'll put the other one in so then we can get this going. Alright, so let's see how we do this here. Ta-da. One more time. So these pieces right here go in the hole. That right here, where it sticks out a little bit. See if I can focus the camera. That piece goes in the hole. Like that. I should have showed you what it looked like with one of those in. But now I'm going to hook it up back to this wire. Show you. Oh, never mind, I got it on me.
And the things that keep us going in that marathon.
Sorry about that. Let's see what worked now. Alright, so I'm gonna figure out what's going on and then I'll come back and show you. Alright, I got it. Oh, this one just went out. Oh, there it is. as you can see, this one's a lot brighter. It looks a lot better. All I had to do is twist it over a little bit, because if you push it too far, I guess I won't do it now, but see, it shuts off. They're picky. So there it is. Well, that'll be it, unless I can get that one. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.